This should work.
Good. Now, let's see what we've got.
Hey, have you seen Lauren?
I haven't seen her in a while.
Lauren?
Lauren!
Are you okay?
What's the matter?
I'm not feeling too great.
Well, what happened?
Well, I was a bit hungry. And then I spot this perfect specimen of Cantharellus siberius, and I've been dying to try one, so...
You ate a wild mushroom. Do you know how dangerous that can be?
Sure, but I didn't eat much. It looks exactly like the one on page 68, and it tasted great.
Yeah, well, we'll put that on your epitaph, because it also looks like the poisonous one on page 69.
It's okay. We'll take a sample, and we'll see what species it really is.
The Life Barcoder will be developed over the next several years. This is a small handheld device that contains a tiny DNA sequencer tied to a central computer. You'll be able to go into the field and identify virtually any form of life within minutes.
Barcode for Life is a global effort to genetically catalog all forms of life on Earth by analyzing a specific fragment of the mitochondrial DNA. This genetic information would then be used to build a global database of DNA sequences. Turns out there's a 650 base pair fragment of a particular mitochondrial gene that's unique to most forms of life. Sequence this one segment of DNA and you've got a highly accurate signature of the species.
We'll be able to quickly identify pests that could spread disease and damage crops. We'll be able to identify fragments of plant and animal material in the stomach of an animal right in the field, or detect unwanted material in cattle feed that could spread mad cow disease.
So many fields of science are converging with this effort. Medicine, computers, epidemiology, agriculture, ecology, and the advances over the next few decades will be breathtaking.
For people like me, genetics and genomics have opened up a whole new world of possibilities. From DNA microchips to sophisticated PCR and sequencing machines to a handheld barcoder, the possibilities are endless.
It'll be an important tool in the war on terror. Picture a life barcoder hooked to a central computer in the hands of a port inspector. He could check for a dangerous bug in a suspicious container within minutes.
It's exciting to work in a field that's going to have so many positive impacts on society.
It's an awesome time to work in genomics.
It's a field that could barely be imagined 30 years ago, and I don't think we can begin to imagine the benefits even 10 years from now.
It might even help our friend in the woods.
Well, this must be your lucky day. It is Cantharellus siberius.
Cool. Hey, I think I'm feeling better. Must have been breakfast. Anyone want to try some mushrooms?
Gross. All right. Let's go. We're at it.